Hi, today I'm going to show you how to download source code files from Replit AI. So first, navigate to your Replit AI homepage, log into replit.com and navigate to the app that you're working on. Now, you will see a preview of your app. You'll have to simply click on this small plus icon that is a new tab icon. Now, in this, you'll have to simply scroll down and search for Git. Click on Git and click on the Add Database Schema, or if you haven't connected Git yet, simply click on any one of these and click on Connect GitHub. After you do this, you'll be taken to this page where you can scroll down and click on Install and Authorize. Now, click on Verify via email, then enter the code received on your email and click on Verify. After you do this, you'll be redirected back where you can simply click on Create Repository on GitHub. Now, it will instantly create a repository on GitHub where you will see the repository just below. Click on any one of the repositories. Then what you can do is simply navigate to GitHub, then search for repository that you have. Then you will see the repository just right here. Click on code, click on download zip, and you would have successfully downloaded the source code files from Replit AI to your PC. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.